Helenium double trouble, the first double sneezeweed. Bold yellow, cheerful blooms appear in late summer gardens. Plant in at least 6 hours of sun in zones 4 through 8. Grows 18 to 28 inches high by 12 inches wide. Blooms July through October. Attracts butterflies and makes an excellent cut flower. Companion plants include Eupatorium, Monarda, and Echinacea.